Hello viewers, today we are going to learn the Creo Parametric software. In the Creo Parametric software, before to going to the learn the Creo Parametric software, you have to know the basic thing. So this is the parametric software. You can also download this software from the Google free of cost. If you are a student, you can easily access this software free of cost. So for that you have to type in the Google the Creo Parametric software and you can download their free student version and then install this C folder, open the C folder and the setup file, open the setup file and follow the procedure. You can access this software as a free. So today we are going to the learn the 2D sketch. So in this 2D sketch we are learning the sketch, getting started, line, dimension, circle, tangent line, delay segment, ellipse, zoom, pan, undo and redo. So now I'm going to open the 2D sketch. Click on the sketch, type the file name. You can also import the file if you want also. So type the file name and OK. So this interface you can see here. So as you can see that there is no grid here. You can also open the grid display. So I'm going to open the grid display. You can see here the grid display. Here is a dimension. You can also change the dimension here. So I selected the all sketcher. So the first thing, the center line. So you can draw the center line. So this sign is indicate that is the center line is parallel. You can also draw the slanted center line. You can also draw this vertical center line. So draw the horizontal center line. You can also give the dimension between these two center line. So I'm going to give the plane here and give the angle of between these two center line. I take 9. So as you seen that this center line can be draw between the distance as your wish. So I remove this all and I back all this command. So this option is that Control Z. You can also open your further command by Control Y. So I'm going to click on Control Z. This is removing all of this. So next is point. You can draw the point here. I'm removing all of this. You can also change the dimension of this between 2 points. I take the 20. So I'm removing all of this thing. Now this is the line. So you can draw the parallel line, slanted line. As you see that this sign is indicated that this is mean that this line is parallel or straight. If this line is slanted, this sign is not displayed. See this is sign is display. You can also change the dimension here. So Control Z for removing all this. Now is the rectangle. You can draw the rectangle here. You can also change the dimension of the rectangle. So you can also give the fillet on the rectangular. I'm going to give the fillet on the circular. You can also change the radius by clicking the double click on this fillet. You can also give the circular trim. Select one line and then second line. This radius is showing. Then escape. Then double click. Now you can also draw the elliptical trim. Elliptical. Here is 2 dimensions required. One is the horizontal and one is the vertical. I am changing the horizontal, giving the 3. This is the and vertical 3. So you can also draw the fillet, elliptical fillet. For that you have to draw the line. This is the mid, indicated that this is the middle line of middle point. So now I'm going to draw the elliptical trim. So now select first and second line. As you can see that the previous line has trimmed. So same way you can use the trim fillet for the drawing line. Escape and then elliptical trim. Select one line and then second line. As you can see this also trim fillet are executed. So now the next step is moving all of this thing. So now the drawing the rectangular. This is the 2-point rectangular. You can also draw the slanted rectangular. You can also draw the center rectangular. You can also change the dimension of this rectangular as your wish. So now I'm going to draw the circle. Circle have the many options: 3-point circle, tangent circle, central point circle. You can also, for central point circle, require the center. And now I am giving to the dimension of this circle. This is 30 mm diameter of circle. Same thing I'm doing to the other side, changing the dimension. Now I'm going to draw the 3-point circle. This is first point, this is second point, and this is the third point. You can also change the dimension of this circle. Now this is I'm selecting 3-point circle. This is first point, second point, and this is the third point. You can also change the dimension of this circle. Now the arc. Suppose this is the through line. In that through line I want to draw the arc. This is a 3-point arc. This is first point, this is third point. This is first point, this is third point, second point, and this is the third point. I can also draw the center and end arc. For this you have require center and this first point and this second point. As you see that this arc is executed. Now you can also change the dimension of this arc for 35, 40. I can also draw the ellipse. So this is the axis end ellipse. For this the 2 point is required. I'm selecting axis end. This is the first point, this is second point, and between this point my ellipses are executed. Now I can change the dimension of this ellipse. Same way I can also draw the center axis ellipse. For the center is required, and this is the axis, and then this ellipse is formed. You can also change the dimension. Now I am drawing to the spline line. This is a continuous spline line. For escaping this command, enter the escape button. Now this spline line executed. Next option is fillet. For that I am drawing the fillet. So I am doing the circular fillet for this rectangle. As you can see this, the fillet is performed. Next is a circular trim, selecting one side and another side. This circular trim also performed. So now is next is chamfering. First surface, second surface. As you can see this, the chamfer is performed. You can also change the vertical and horizontal dimension. Now the second option is that chamfering trim. As you can see this, for chamfering trim the required angle, you can also change the angle of this chamfer. Now next is stakes. You can also draw the stakes for this. As you see that this stakes also perform. The same way you can use the another command and execute your drawing. So I am removing all of these controls here. You can also see the removing part by entering the control Y. I'm removing control Z. So in this lecture I am explaining line, rectangular, circular, arc, ellipse, plane, fillet, chamfer and text. In the next lecture I am going to draw this another left part. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you are interested, please type on the comment section. Thank you.